This is Richard Black, part of Cleo's home garden. This morning I'll be separating a Marfala from its clone or marcot. These are the tools I'll be using. This is a Stanley pruning saw. Next to it I have a pair of pruning shears, extremely sharp, a sharp knife, and 3 scissors in the event that I need it. Also a pen to take notes. For example, the date it was separated from the parent tree, the marcot was separated from the parent tree, and any other information that I need to make a note of. This is the marcot, which has been separated from the parent Marfala tree. I'm going to remove the plastic around it now using my pruning shears. I'll use my sharp knife first. Just remove the tape. Use my sharp knife.
One minute.
Alright guys, as you could see, we have a good portion of root development for this Marfala clone. But the next step is to insert it into some soil, which I'm going to do now. Making sure all the plastic is removed around the plant so it doesn't stifle or inhibit growth. It's very important that we remove all the wraps. No part of the plant is restricted in terms of growth potential. There you go. There you go. Just make sure the plant firmly and securely rests in the humid medium. Next step for the reduction of respiration, I'm going to cut out these 2 bottom leaves. Cut these leaves in half. The next stage is to use some Miracle Grow to rehydrate it and to reduce any possible shock that the plant might experience as a result of the relocation from the parent tree to this new medium. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.